called the Neakasa, and it is the highest rated, all around loved, overall pick from any website for cat litter, dealing with self-cleaning and odor, and easy to clean on your own, as well as liked by the cats.
So if you put it in there, I think it'll work. So we want to put this first.
No.
Do you want to take the stickers off? You want to wait on the stickers?
It's the machine first.
I think we're going to position it this way, and then we got to put the stuff in. But I think the next step is to pull this out, right? And then this pushes out through the bottom. So smush it out all the way, and then we got to put the cat thing in there, which I believe we've got them over there, right? And then you put the blue part through here. You get 2 of these big rolls. So you did get 2. So she's opening it up. You can see these are small. They're not like regular garbage bags. These are specifically made for this cat thing. So now you've got to find the edges here. All right, let's do the one like you were doing it.
Okay,
so now
this part where I'm confused is I think that this actually might be the outside, because
I think it makes a difference.
it does, because you have to fold it so that it's over the edge.
Just like that.
No.
Look at the cat. All right, did you figure it out?
Kind of, not really.
All right, you're doing a great job. All right, so she's smushing it in. I know. And so now this will just slide under there, apparently. Okay, what do you think? Oh, you got to get that through there. All right, I think that might work. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Hey, all right, she's almost got it done. So she's going to slide that in there. Okay, we got to show them where they got to put this. So we got to lift this up a little bit. You can just kind of grab it like this. I hold it up like this for a second. All right, so anyway, here's the port where this goes. It's right there. You see that little X? Got it? All right, so I'm going to put this in. Let's see if they can see it. That's it. All right, so now we're in. Now we can set her down. All right, now we got to put the stuff in. We have to recycle it once. All right, so she's pressing the power button. Oh, there we go. We're good. Check it out.
Scoot so I can do this.
All right, wait, we got to let it do its thing first.
I know, but I gotta do the app.
So it rotates, right? Hey, it's rotating. It's a rotator.
Yes.
All right, check it out. Now it's going to finish facing us, I think. It's almost there.
Okay.
What do you think?
Scoot.
All right, what are you going to do now?
I gotta.
It did that. Aha!
Okay.
We got to put the stuff in. All right, let's get the stuff. There it is. Clump and seal. Oh my gosh, you're strong, man. That thing was heavy for me. I couldn't even lift it. Oh, do you pour it out? You okay? All right, so she's pouring it in. How much do you put in? I don't even know.
That's the things I really don't know.
Like, that seems like a lot. That's good. You kind of covered it all. What do you think? I think that's good. All right, now let's try it. Let's level that bad boy. Let's get the level going. All right, so it's leveling now. She pressed that level button, the red button, and it's kind of like shaking the stuff around inside there, getting it squared away. So we're just kind of waiting.
It's supposed to automatically level.
That's good. Ah, look, level. All right, Wi-Fi. It's good. That means that we're good. Because I think it's got 2 things, level and not level. I think that's it. All right, bam, we're in. We're in like Flynn. Spinning around. Check it out. Bam, done. And that's it, man. That's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos on cat litter. Peace out.